Established in 2007, Earda Technologies Company Limited is a professional electronics manufacturer, engaged in the research and development, manufacturing, sale and service of smart home products. Product range includes smart switch, smart dimmer switch, smart wireless scene switch. Earda is located in Guangzhou, with convenient transportation access of sea, road, and air. The plant covers an area of 11,174 square meters, with 318 employees. Earda has its own independent R&D team and independent production line, include SMT, THC, automated testing, and lot product assembly production line. Earda is dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Experienced staff members are always standby for premium customer service to fulfill clients' demand and ensure customer satisfaction. In addition, Earda have obtained ISO 9001 BSCI certificates for the High Standard Factory Management, CE, ETL, FCC, IC certificates for product quality acknowledge. The main products were exported to clients in countries and regions such as US, Canada, Germany, Spain, UK, France, UAE, AUS, and so on. Earda is open for OEM and ODM clients and orders. You could order the in-selling goods from the catalog. Also, you can work close with Earda engineer team to develop your own customized products. Please feel free to contact with Earda customer service for more information.